Namaste everyone. This is Om and with me Sally and Sao. Today we are going for Hatha Yoga practice for 40 to 45 minutes. And this class is very beginner friendly and this correct your wrong postures and help you to more about alignment. You know about detail of alignment in this class. Let's start. Come to standing position. We are going for sun salutation for loosen up our body. It help you to warm up your body and prepare your body for the postures. Join your palms in front of your heart. Inhale, both hands up. Both hands over your head. Arms more straighten, chest up. Bellies go in, hip more forward. Exhale, bend forward. Palms by the side of your heels, spine long, body weight on your toes. If you find your hamstring are tight, bend your knee, touch your belly with your thigh, lengthen more. Inhale, right leg back. Come on your fingertips, keep looking up, chin and chest up, back leg straight. Left leg back. Plank position, palms under your shoulder, bellies go in, pull your shoulder more up. Chaturanga. Bend your elbow by the side of your last rib. Inhale, chin and chest up. Look up, arch. Keep looking up. Lift up your knee, chest up. Pull your chest more up. Belly go in. Exhale, down dog. Palm press on the mat. Shoulder away from your body. Come on your toes, heels off the mat. Knee more straighten, hip higher. Inhale, right foot forward, in between your both palms. Come on your fingertips, look up, chin and chest up, back leg straight. Left foot forward, spine long, body weight on your toes, lengthen. Inhale, both hands up. Arms straighten, head back, chest up, hip more forward, belly go in. Join your palms in front of you. With 3 more rounds, we are going to do. Inhale, both hands up. Arms more straighten, chest up, hip forward, belly go in. Exhale, bend forward. Keep your both palm by the side of your heel, spine longer. Weight on your toe. If you find your hamstring are tight, just bend your knee, touch your belly with your thigh, chest more forward. Left side, left leg back. Come on your fingertips, keep looking up, chin and chest up, back leg straight. Right leg back, plank position. Palms under your shoulder, pull your shoulder more higher, tailbone in. Chaturanga, either 8 part of the body on the mat. Inhale, chin and chest up, look up, arch. Chest more up, belly go inside. Keep lifting your chest more high. Lift up your knee, thighs up, palm press. Exhale, down dog. Keep pressing your palms on the mat, shoulder more away from your body. Come on your toes, knee straight, hip higher, sitting bone to the ceiling. Inhale, left foot forward, in between your both palms. Come on your fingertips, left knee touching with your arms, right leg straight. Right foot forward, body weight on your toes. Lengthen more, spine more longer. If you find hard, bend your knee, touch your belly with your thumb. Inhale, both hands up. Both arms straight, head back, chest up, hip forward, belly in. Come to Namaste. 2 more rounds with the breathing. Inhale, both hands up. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, right leg back. Exhale, left leg back. Inhale, exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, right foot forward. Exhale, left foot forward. Inhale, both hands. Come to Namaste. Inhale, both hands up. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, left leg back. Exhale, right leg back. Inhale, exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Come on your toes, heels off the mat. Hip go high, sitting bone to the ceiling. Warrior one. Inhale, right leg up. Toes pointing to the ceiling. Square your hip, rotate your thigh. Right foot forward, in between your both palms. Left heel press on your mat, both hands over your head. Join your palms. Keep your both arms slightly forward, shoulder away from your body. Left heel, keep pressing. Try to turn your left thigh in. Square your hip. Keep rotating your left thigh in at the same time, right knee in. Lower your hips down. Try to thighs parallel with the floor. Lower your hips more. Look your thumb. Stay there for 10 count. Don't forget to breathe. 1. Left heel press. 2. Left knee pull up. 3. Chest up. 4. Both arms straight. 6. Lower your hips more. 7. Left and right knee at the same time in, so your compactness of your hip maintain. 8. Lower more. 9 and 10. Palms on your waist. Palms on your waist. Right knee straight. Right toes in. Left toes out. Bend your left knee. Lower your hip down. Right heel press on the mat. If you find hard to square your hip, slightly right heels to the right side. So you find easier to rotate your thighs slightly in and keep pressing your heels on the mat. Lower your hips more, both hands up. Both hands slightly forward. Externally rotation in your shoulder. Look your thumb, arms more straight. Try to take your belly in. Right heel press on the mat. Hip more lower. 1. Belly go in, chest up. 2. Right heel press on the mat. 3. Look at your thumb. 4. Lower your hip down. 5. Heel pressing on the mat. 6. Hip more lower. 7. Breathe more. 8. Right heel press nicely. 9 and 10. Palms on your waist. Left knee straight, left toes in, right toes out. Warrior 2. Widening your feet. Bend your right knee. Lower your hip down. When you're bending your right knee, try to bring your thigh parallel to the floor if possible. If not, it's okay. Left outer heel, keep pressing on the mat. Hold up your knee, thighs are engaged. Don't allow your torso turning to the right. Gaze on your fingertips. Right fingertips, shoulder away from your body. Belly go in. Left leg press nicely. 1. Breathe. 2. Keep looking your fingertips. 4. Breathe nicely. Left leg press. 5. Hip lower. 6. Chest up. 7. Lower your hips more. 8. Don't allow your torso turning to the left. 9. Hip more lower. 10. Inhale. Arms on your waist. Right knee straight. Right toes in. Left toes out. Bend your left knee. Lower your hip down. Right heel press on the mat. Open your arms. Try to bring your shoulder away from your body. Stretch, bring away from your body. When you're stretching, you can feel the stretch from your elbow, then you're really working on your arms. Try to core engage, take your belly, go in, tailbone tuck in, right outer heel press on the mat. Left knee bend, thighs more parallel. Don't allow your torso turning to the left. Stay there for 10 count. 1, breathe. 2, keep breathing. 3, breathe nicely. 4, right heel press on your mat. 5, look at your fingertips. 6, hip more lower. 7, breathe. 8, heel press. 9 and 10. Palms on your waist. Left knee straight, left toes in, right toes out. Warrior 3, bend your right knee, lower your hip down. Come on your left toes, heels off the mat, stay there. Both hands up, interlace your hand. Slightly lean forward so your hip maintain in line. This position maintain while you lifting your left leg up. Compactness in hip, belly in, right foot strong. Slowly, if you find hard, step your left foot front, 1 step, 2 step if you find, and left leg up. If you can, left leg higher. Right foot stronger. Just focus to press your right heels on the mat. Press your right heels on the mat. When you're pressing your right heel, you're distributing the weight. Pull up your knee, right leg completely strong. When you engage your right leg, try to turn your left thigh, go more in, belly inside, arms. And you press your palm at the same time, core in. 4, breathe. 5, stay there. 6, lean forward, right heel press. 7, 8, flex your left foot. 9 and 10. Left foot on the mat, palms on your waist. Right knee straight, right toes in, left toes out. Come on your right toes, heels off the mat, lower your hip down, bend your left knee. Both hands over your head. Interlace your hand, press your palms. When you're pressing your palms, core engaged. Step your right foot 1 step forward, lean forward, and then at the same time, 1 step, and then right leg up. Left heel press on the mat, pull up your left knee, turn your right thigh, go more inside, flex your right foot. Try to compact your hip, chest more forward, belly go in. Left heel press nicely on the mat. 1, stay there for another 9 count. 2, keep breathing. 3, next slightly higher. 4, right leg more up, turn your thigh more in. 5, left heel press on the mat. 6, keep pressing left leg. 7, 8, breathe. 9 and 10. Right foot on the mat, left knee straight, palms on your waist. Left knee straight, left toes in, right toes out. Bend your both knee, right knee, both palms on the mat. Right leg back. Plank position, palms under your shoulder. Keep pressing your fingertips, shoulder away from your body, tailbone tucked in. Slowly down dog without chaturanga. Down dog. Palm pressing on the mat, shoulder away from your body, knee straight, hip more high. Bring your shoulder more away, press your palm, give a length to your spine. Give your length to your spine more, keep lengthening more. Hip more higher. Breathe. Come on your toes, heels off the mat. Palm press, lengthen your spine, knee more straighten, hip more higher. Keep breathing. Inhale, right foot forward. Left foot forward. Look front, spine long. Heels hip distance apart. Heels hip distance apart. Take the block. Keep the block in between your feet. Slowly look forward and come to standing position. Round and come to standing. Now we are going for side bend. So keep pressing the block with your feet. When you're pressing your block, make sure your knees pulled up, thighs are properly engaged. Tailbone tucked in, chest up, core engaged. Right hand up. Right hand more straighten, shoulder pull up, left palm beside your thigh, belly more in, chest more up. Press the block with your feet, pull up your knee, thighs are properly engaged. Inhale, exhale, lower down to the left. Connect with your breathing. Don't allow to arch in your spine. Ribs more in, belly go more inside. Shoulder pulled up, stay there. 1. Right hand pull up nicely. 2. Ribs in. 3. Tailbone tuck under. 4. Keep pressing the block. Knee pulled up. 5. Arms more straight. 6. Belly more in. 7. 8. Arms up. 9 and 10. Right palm beside your thigh. Left hand up. Palm facing to the right side. Left hand pull up nicely. Belly go in. Make sure there is no arch in your spine. Lower down to the right side. When you're leaning to the right side, make sure your pelvis is not turning in. Control your pelvis. Don't allow your pelvis to turn in. Left hand more up. Don't twist. Keep pulling your shoulder up. Left side lengthening, right side compression. 5. Keep breathing. 6. Connect with your breath. 7. Left hand more straighten. 8. Left hand more up. 9 and 10. Left palm beside your thigh. Keep breathing. One more time. Right hand up. Arm facing to the left side. Bellies go in, chest up. Tailbone tuck under. Pull up your knee, press the block. Arm straight, lower down to the left side. 1. 2. Right hand more straight. Tailbone more in, belly go in. 3. Arm straighten. 4. Right hand more straight. 5. 6. Stay there, breathe. 7. 8. 9. 10. Inhale, come back. Right palm beside your thigh. Left hand up. Left hand more straighten. Arm facing to the right. Belly go in, chest up, lower down to the right side. Left hand more straighten. Core more engaged. Shoulder nicely pulled up. Belly more in. Don't allow your torso turning in. Legs are properly engaged. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Inhale. Very good. Take it out your block. Now we are going for a slightly side bend, back bend and then forward bend. Heels hip distance apart. Support your lower back. With the thumb, try to hold your sacrum. With the thumb, try to hold this sacrum region. Don't hold your lumbar region. Try to hold your sacrum and fingertips pointing forward. Elbow in. Try to lower more your thumb slightly. And hold your sacrum, fingertips pointing forward. Support nicely your lower back. And then, knee more straighten, thighs are properly engaged. Chest up, lifting your chest, look to the ceiling. Push your hip forward. Push your sacrum more forward. When you're pushing your sacrum forward, try to belly go in, chest more up. Legs are firmly strong. Heels and toes in line, knee nicely pulled up. Chest up, belly in, hip forward. 5, 6, look to the ceiling. 7, hip more forward. 8, elbow in. 9 and 10. Inhale, come back. Exhale, bend forward. Spine long, body weight on your toes. Grab your big toe. Hold your big toe. Try to lengthen your spine. Exhale, bend forward. Depending upon your flexibility, try to bring your both elbow in. Shoulder away from your body. Lengthen nicely. Weight on your toes. 1. Spine long. Knee straight, hip high, belly with your thigh, weight on your toes. 5. Lower more. 6. Lengthen your spine. 7. Weight on your toes. 8. Lower. 9 and 10. Inhale, come back. Come to initial position. Support your lower back once again. Bring your elbow in, chest up, push your hip forward, look to the ceiling. At the same time, lift up your chest higher, pull your chest up, hip more forward, back ribs are completely engaged. Bring your elbow more inside, knee more straighten, legs are strong. 1, 2, 3, chest more up, hip forward. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, legs stronger. 9 and 10. Exhale, bend forward. Grab your elbow joint. Right hand left, left hand right. Head inside, lower. If you possible, try to touch your forearm on your mat. Knee straighten, weight on your toe. Lengthen your spine more. Keep lengthening. Core slightly, belly in. 2, 3, hip go high. 4, lower. 5, weight on your toes. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Inhale, come to initial position. Heels and toes together. Dancer pose. Right hand up. 45. Right hand up, palm facing forward. Left palm facing to the ceiling. Kick your left leg. Hold your left ankle. Right hand more straighten, palm facing front. Weight on your right toes. Lean forward, left leg up. Keep lifting your left leg higher. Try to bring your knee and heels in line. Chest up, belly go in, left leg more high. Right arm more forward. Right hand parallel with the floor. Chest up, belly go in. 2, chest lifting up. 3, square your hip, turn your thigh inside. Knee and heels in line. 7, keep breathing. 8, right hand straight. 9 and 10. Left hand up. Arm straight, palm facing front, right palm facing to the ceiling. Kick your right leg, hold your right ankle. Left hand up. Lean forward, body weight on your toes, right leg up. Left hand parallel with the floor. Try to bring your right knee in, thighs more go in, right leg more up. Weight on your left toe. 3, leg more straighten if you can. 4, square your hip. 5, legs high. 6, 7, left foot stronger. 8, left hand parallel with the floor. 9, pull up, toes top of your head. 10, slowly bend your right knee, right foot on the mat. Come to initial position. Inhale, both hands up. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, right leg back. Exhale, left leg back. Bend your both knee. Relax. Slowly walk back. Take your palms back. Use your palms to come back to sitting position. Gradually, right leg straight. Left leg straight. Heels and toes in line. Keep your both palm by the side of your thigh. Chest up, belly go in. Neck long. Toes flex, feet flex. Toes pointing to the ceiling. Stretch your legs completely. Pull up your knee, chest more up. Chest lifting up more. Both hands up. Arms straight, stretch up more. Give a length to your spine. Exhale, bend forward. Try to touch your belly with your thigh. Grab your big toe with fingers. Elbow on the mat. Lengthen more. Chest toward your shin bone. Belly touching with your thigh. Stay there for 10 count. Breathe. 1. Give a length more to your spine. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, center. Walk back. Both hands up. Keep your both palm by the side of your thigh. Keep your both hands back. Palm press on the mat. If you find hard to do that, bend your knee and you can do for variation posture as well. Try to press your palm, hip go high. Keep pressing your palms, hip more higher, chest up. Try to lift up your hip as high as you can. Don't try to focus on touching your toes on the mat. More focus on lifting your hips high. Core engaged, palms press. Chest more up. Stay there for 10 count. 1, 2. Turn your thigh more in. 3. Thighs turning in. 4. Good. 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Inhale, center. Slowly fold your right leg, left leg, come to diamond pose. Slowly walk front, come on your belly. Toes out. Bend your both knee, right knee and left knee. Right hand hold your right ankle. Left hand hold your left ankle. Hold from outside. Lift up your chin. Lift up your chest. Lift up your knee. Lift up your thigh. Toes together. And try to pull up. 1. Legs more high. 2, 3, 4. Legs up more. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you relax your knee, both palms front, Bend your elbow, chin on your palms. Rest. Relax. Heel facing each other, toes out. Feet apart. Slowly, heels and toes together once again. Both hands back. Palm facing each other. Chin and chest up. Both legs up. Both hands up. Chin and chest up more. Lift up your thigh higher. Bring your toes closer, heels closer. Turn your thigh. Stay there for 10 count. 1. Chest more higher. 2. Next more up. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9 and 10. Relax. Legs apart, bend your elbow, your palms resting on your chin, resting on your palms. Slowly turn right or left, come on your back. Use your palms. Just roll one side, come on your back. Bend your both knee one by one. Both palm by side of your thigh. Press your palms, hips up. Hips go high. Interlace your hand under your hip. Hip more high, chest more up. Chest toward your chin. Keep lifting your hip high. 1. Hip more up. 2. 3. Chest up. 4. Hip go high. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9 and 10. Hips down. Keep your both palm by the side of your ears. Lift up your lower back, middle back, upper back, head up, wheel pose. Chest forward, try to heels on the mat. Turn your thigh, roll in, hip go more high, chest forward. Legs more straight. 1. Breathe naturally. 2. Hip go high more. 3. Chest more forward. 4. Chest forward. 5. Belly go in. 6. 7. Knee straight. 8. 9 and 10. Bend your knee slowly, hips on the mat. Round your spine, touch your forehead with your knee. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Both knee to the right, look left. Twist. Right palm top of your right knee, left hand to the left, palm facing down. Left palm facing down. Look to the left side. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Inhale center. Exhale left side. Both knee to the left, look right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Inhale, center. Happy baby pose. Bend your knee. Try to lift up your sacrum higher, knee more closer by the side of your belly. Lift up your sacrum, touch your knee by the side of your belly if possible. Hold your heel from in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right hand hold your right knee, left hand hold your left heel. Both hands hold your heels and knees straight. Bring your knee straighten. 1. If not possible, stay in first variation. 1. Knee straight. 2. Lift up your sacrum high. 3. Sacrum up. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9 and 10. Relax. Legs apart, hands apart. Eyes closed. Just stay and relax in deep Savasana position. It helps you to relax your whole body and give you proper relaxation to your muscles. Stay there. Try to relax your whole body from toes to head, one by one. All the part of your body. Toes, ankle, calf, shin bone, knee, thigh, hip joint, belly, lower back, middle back, upper back, back of your neck, back of your head, top of your head, forehead, facial muscles, chest, belly, both hands, all the fingers. From toes to head, completely loosen and relax. Move your toes, fingers. Bring your heels and toes together. Both hands over your head. Stretch your both arms, torso, legs. Turn right. Turn right side. Stay there in right lateral position. Left palm press on your mat. Use your both hand, come to sitting position. Thank you for joining me. Namaste.